Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how you can create realistic sharp rocks in Blender with geometry nodes. It's so procedural. So let's move on. Go to cube, add modifier, geometry nodes, add new. Let's create rock generator. Go to geometry node settings. Let's create a cube here. Let's distribute points on faces here, and let's instance on points, and let's instance cubes to our points. So what we have here is something like this. Let's scale it down. Let's decrease the density. So we should have that kind of cubes. So let's move on. Let's realize our instances. Let's convex hull. So when we change our seed, we are getting this kind of shape. When we increase our size of the cube that we scatter points on, we change our shape. Let's check our other shapes. So let's subdivide our rock. Let's create roughness on our rock. Set position. So add noise texture. The problem with noise texture is our values goes from 0 to 1, but we need values from -1 to 1 because we're offsetting the position. Let's map range. So decrease the scale, add distortion a little bit, add roughness, add detail. Okay. Let's vector math. Let's change it. Let's add multiply. And let's play with the settings. I don't want to lose its sharpness. Okay. You can play with it. Let's decrease roughness, distortion more. Okay. So when you change our seed here, we are creating rocks. Let's subdivide it more. Okay. Let's play with our seed. So we have more realistic rocks compared to other workflows. So what we can do more is, if you see that our rocks is always blocky like here, because we are offsetting this mesh. So if we it's always the same rotation, our cubes. When we add random value to our rotation, and when we change our results, we are having much realistic results. We should have. So let's play with our seed. Okay. I think that looks cool. So here is how you can create a rock generator in Blender, also procedural with geometry nodes. Thank you for watching.